Hello friends, welcome my channel. In this video, uh, we'll learn Outlook configure with Gmail. Let us start. Uh, Log into the Gmail account. Then we have to go to the account setting. Then just we are waiting for opening the Gmail. It's quite slow. Let's go to the all setting. Then find the tab IMAP and forwarding an IMAP option, and go below down. Here it will say the IMAP setting is showing turn off. Now if you are to configure with Outlook with Gmail, then we have to turn it on. After that, go to the my account setting, and here is another setting with the security. With the less security apps access. That's mean if you want to access the Gmail account with the Outlook or any other application, then you have to turn it on. In this session, there is a verification step. You need to verify your email account. Either the Gmail has sent a 6-digit code to your associate mobile number. Okay, next go to the control panel. Find the mail option with Outlook. Here is a mail with Outlook's 19 here. Add new, put a name, anything, you can say anything, then okay again. Okay, here is the name, the display name, you can say his name. I have putting in my name. After that, the Gmail address we want to configure. After next, we have to put password, input your password twice. That's mean first time and repeat. Then next, as I am typing my password 2 times. Then next, the Outlook will find the setting for the mail server from the Google Mail server automatically. And if everything okay, it will be all are the success. Opening the Outlook, first again we have to input my password. I have to input my password, and next sign in. Okay, then again verification, because after configuring the Outlook, there is no need to input a password. Just that's why there is again verification with my associate mobile number. I have received 6-digit code and done. That's the input number. It's okay. That's been all done for the Outlook configuration. Is something the option which type of access Outlook will accept from the Google. Then accept, and it's okay. The first time we have to take some time, because to Outlook and Outlook apps and the Gmail server will sync all data from the email address. First time sync, there is no issue. It will in this my case there is not so much mail. I am sending a test mail from the Outlook for testing everything is alright or not. Okay, I'm sending the mail and send as the subject, and somebody also send. Just check the email received or not. Just basic it's that's done. That's been my configuration all right. Thanks for today.